Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all would be fine. Today we will be completing the remaining part of this lesson where love is God is. It was a very long lesson and it took so many videos, but today I think it is the remaining part, and so we will be starting here. And before starting, I am just reminding you all that in the previous video we had studied that a woman who was selling apples in a basket and carrying chips in her bag, and she was passing by the street and she started to feel pain, and she put it out the bag on the ground, and she started to change the bag on over his shoulder, and suddenly a boy came and he took out the apple from his basket and started to run away. And Michael, he came out and he saw all these things, and the woman caught the boy with the hands, his hair, and started to beat. But Michael interrupted in between, and he says that if a boy is can be beaten by for stealing only one apple, so what should be done with us? We are doing a lots of sins every day. And this because of insisting in some way, such a way, the woman understood, and she did not say anything. And Martin also said that he will be paying the money for that apple, but you leave him. And he also said to the boy, he made him understand that why you have done this thing, and you have to say sorry to the old woman for doing such a wrong thing. So the boy felt sorry for that, and in the last, the woman said that I have also 7 children, and out of them only one daughter is there, and their children, my daughter's children, they love me very much, and whenever I am outside, they always recognize of me. So up to here we had studied, and the remaining part we will be trying to study. The word meanings, we will first of all we have to we will have a quick recall. Referring means if we are indicating something, that is called referring. Sprang forward means somebody is coming forward in a speed, that is called springing forward or coming forward. Morocco, here Morocco means it is a type of leather which is made in Morocco. Muttered means whispered. Vanishing means disappearing. If something is vanished, it is called disappeared. And savior means God. So let us start from here. Of course, it was only his childishness, God help him, said she, referring to the boy. She is referred to the boy, and she said that of course it is her childishness, so she forgave him. As the old woman was about to hoist her sack on her back, the lad sprang forward to her, saying, "Let me carry it for you, Granny. I am going that way." So she started to carry the bag, but suddenly that boy came, and he said that, "Granny, give me the bag. I am going that way only. I will carry it for you." The old woman nodded her head and put the sack on the boy's back. She became pleased, and she put the sack on the boy's back, and they went down the street together. Both of them together went down the street. The old woman, quite forgetting to ask Martin to pay for the apple, and the woman forgot to demand the money for that apple which Martin has said that I will give you the cost of this apple. She forgot to ask for the cost, and she went away. Martin stood and watched them. Martin was standing there and watching them when they were going. As they went along talking to each other, and both of them now became good friends. That boy and that grand woman, and talking to each other, they were going, and Martin was seeing. When they were out of sight, Martin went back to the house. Martin was continuously seeing them, and when they were out of his vision and he was not able to see them, then he came back to his house. Seems it's time to light up, thought he. He thought that it is now evening time, and it is I should light up my house. So he trimmed his lamp, hung it up, and sat down again to work. So he lit his lamp, and he hanged the lamp up on the wall, and he started again to work. He finished off one boot, and turning it about, examined it. He finished one boot, he completed one boot, and he was trying to examine that how is there any mistake in my making the boot. He was examining it. It was all right. means it was all right. Then he gathered his tools together, swept up the cuttings, put away the bristles, and then gospel from the shelf. So he just collected every tools and he just kept it. He meant to open at the place he had marked the day before with a bit of morocco. So he started to open his Bible where he was reading in the previous day. He kept as a bookmark as a morocco there. Morocco means a leather piece of leather as a bookmark there in the Bible. But the book opened at another place. But if I am putting a bookmark here, so it should be opening here only if I am opening it the next day. But in spite of keeping the bookmark at a certain place, the book did not open at that place. The Bible opened at a different place, different page. As Martin opened it, his yesterday's dream came back to his mind. As Martin opened the Bible, the previous day what he saw in his dream, it came in his mind, and no sooner had he thought of it than he seemed to hear footsteps as though someone was moving behind him, and he started to feel that someone is moving behind him. Martin turned round and it seemed to him as if people were standing in dark corner. Martin looked back and he saw that he felt that some people are standing there in the dark corner of the room. No one was there, but he was feeling that someone is standing in the dark corner. But he could not make out who they were. He was not recognizing them who were there, but he was feeling. And a voice whispered in his ear, and he started to feel that a voice is whispering in his ear, and what he is saying, Martin, Martin, don't you know me? That voice is saying that, Martin, you don't know me. Who is it? Muttered Martin. Muttered means Martin whispered, who are you? Who is saying? Who is speaking there? It is I, said the voice. The voice said, it is I. And out of the dark corner stepped Stepanek, who smiled and vanishing like a cloud was seen no more. And the figure of Stepanek, the first person who came to meet him, he came and he just came in front of his eyes, and he suddenly disappeared. Then again, and second person is coming. He is saying, it's I, said the voice again. Again a next voice came and it is saying, it's I. And out of the darkness stepped the woman with the baby in her arms. The second one was a baby in her arms. Her image came in front of him, and then the woman smiled and the baby also laughed, and they too vanished. Means the woman and the baby, they both of them, again they also disappeared. Then again a next voice is coming. It's I, said the voice once more. Once more a voice is coming, it's I. And the old woman and the boy with the apple stepped out. Means the old woman and the boy who had stolen the apple of the old woman, both of them came out, and both smiled, and they too vanished, and both of them also disappeared. And Martin's soul grew glad. Now Martin's inner soul, it became so happy, so glad. He crossed himself, put on his spectacles, and began reading the gospel. And then he put the spectacles on his eyes, and again he started reading the gospel. Gospel means Bible, just where it had opened, from where he had opened it, and that at the top of the page he read, and on the top of the page he read on the Bible, I was a hungered and he gave me meat. It was written, means God is saying, it was written God's language, it is written there in the Bible, I was a hungered and he gave me meat. Means I was hungry and you gave me meat, means something to eat. I was thirsty and you gave me drink. Means I was thirsty and you also gave me drink. I was a stranger and you take me in. And then again it is written, I was a stranger person and you take me in. And at the bottom of the page he read, and it was written on the top, and then on the bottom what it was written, in as much as ye did it unto of these my brethren, even these least, ye did it unto me. So in the last it was written, whatever you have done to my messengers, those who visited to your house, you have not done it to my messengers, but you have served it to me. And Martin understood that his dream had come true. Now Martin had understood that whatever he had saw in the dream, that Jesus had said that I will come to meet you, and it was really that Jesus Christ had came to meet me in the next day in the form of those messengers, those women, those baby, those man, old man. So they were the messengers of God only, and that the Savior had really come to him that day, and he believed that the Savior means the God has really came to meet Martin only that day, and he had welcomed him, and he had welcomed not to those people, but he had welcomed God. So this was the story. We get the moral of the story is anybody who is in need, we should help him, because he is the truly the messenger of God, and serving something and providing the assistance and help to a needy person, poor people, is the true service of God and mankind. So written part I will be sending this lesson has been we have done it, and you do write the PDF in your copies and books. Thanks for watching. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.